Everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. We are in learning web development. This is regarding AngularJS free courses with certificate. So what is the specialty of this particular video is what I'll be telling you: the intermediate, that is a beginner level free course with certification, intermediate free course with certification, and advanced level free course with certification for AngularJS. And after completing this, you should have the practical exposure, right? So where we'll also see a certification where you will be learning project. Okay, after completing all these project, you will be getting a certification. Okay, all these are free, for free. Okay, so before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my YouTube channel. Okay, so that is Goms Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe now. And if you want to join as a member to access exclusive perks, please consider joining as a member as well. And if you go to the playlist, you can see the previous videos specifically in Skill Up. Okay, this is for students. If you're a student, so this Skill Up will be definitely useful for you, where I'll be uploading videos about free certifications for almost all the technologies, all the languages, every week. Okay, every week, exactly by Thursday between 5 to 6 p.m. I'll be uploading it here, so you can see the complete list. And if you are a professor or a lecturer, so there are various playlists which will be useful for you. Please go and watch it now. So let us, before proceeding, let us understand what is Angular first of all. Okay, so what is AngularJS and why it is really useful? So AngularJS is a structural framework for dynamic web application, which allows you to use HTML as your template language and lets you extend HTML syntax to express your application's components clearly and succinctly. So if you learn AngularJS, you can become a front-end developer, you can become a JavaScript developer, you can become a full-stack developer, you can become a UI UX developer, web application developer, software engineer, AngularJS developer, and mobile application developer as well. So let us see the very first course, which is with a free certification. So this is what provided to us by Learn1. Okay, Learn1, and they are providing nearly 6 hours of on-demand video. You have 54 articles to read and also 3 exercises to learn. And this is a lifetime access. And after completing this course, you will be getting a certification, and this is in Hindi language. So don't worry, if you want to learn in English, I will also show you that. Okay, this is specifically for those who wanted to learn a Hindi language. So here you can see, if you click on this, you can see what is this all about, and here you can also see the complete curriculum. Okay, what you will learn right from the beginning: introduction to AngularJS, scopes, controllers, and you have a quiz as well, and finally you will be getting a certificate like this. Okay, what you have to do is what you have to click here to join free and then enroll this particular course. Okay, let us go to the next course, which is Angular 7 for beginners. This is provided to us by Great Learning, and even here, of course, you have to enroll. So this is by Great Learning, and if you just scroll down, you can see this is a 2.5 hours of self-paced video lectures. So after completing this, you will be getting a certificate as well. Okay, and just scroll down to see what all the content they are covering. What is AngularJS to Angular 7, TypeScript, Angular 7 components. It's an advanced version of JS. Okay, so Angular 7 decorators, and after completing this, you will also get this certificate as well. Okay, so here you have to simply go and enroll for free. You have to log in first. Okay, login. If you don't have the login, please go and sign up here to create your login, and then you can log in here. So for signing up, you just need a mail ID to sign up. Okay, and once you have completed the beginner level course, you have to learn what you have to learn the intermediate level. Okay, so Great Learning has also provided the intermediate level course for Angular 7. So here you can see, so what is directors? So here they have ended up with decorators. So here you can start with directors, ngif, everything, part 2, ng style, ng class, and event binding. So this is for intermediate level, and even this course is for 2.5 hours. Okay, and after completing this, you will be receiving a lifetime certificate here as well. and you can see what is the rating and everything about it, and you have to enroll here for this. And once you complete this intermediate level certification, you have advanced level certification here, which is for free by Great Learning itself, that is Anglo 7 for advanced level. So it's a nearly 3 hours of session. Okay, so 3 hours of self-paced video you have to enroll, where you have introduction to Hive, hands-on, and string number, and you have various other content as well to cover: custom pipes, routing part 1, part 2, drag and drop, visual scrolling and everything, and finally you will be ending up this advanced level. So this is a complete pack. Okay, this is completely on English. So even if you wanted to learn the basics in Hindi, you can learn it from here, and if you wanted to continue till from the basics towards the advanced level, you can also continue in this particular thing. So what is next is what you have to, once you have learned from the beginning towards the advanced, what is the next thing is what you have to start doing with the project. Okay, that is very, very important. If you are a student and you have learned something, you have to apply that practically. Though you will be doing some exercises, those exercises will not be enough, because exercises will be of a single line text, which doesn't have any case studies, or which doesn't have any scenarios to work with. So in order to work with the with a real time thing, no real time project experience, you need a project. Doing this project, you can also add it in your resume, which will increase your reach, your skills. That is, the skills will be, you will stand out of others. Okay, so for that as well, I have a separate video for you. That is a separate course for you, which is provided to us by Edionics. Okay, so here you can see this is enroll now for free. There are 77 lectures, and which is only for 13.19 hours. Okay, 13 hours approximately, it is 13 hours you have to learn. So what is there? You will be learning about AngularJS by building 10 projects. So you will be building AngularJS projects. Okay, just scroll down so you can see what are all the thing which you have. Start here, you will be learning the introduction, and you will start with the basic Angular website. So the introduction will be like what you have to do and how you have to do, and then there is an basic Angular website you will be designing, and then web template store you will be designing, and ng social Facebook app you will be designing, job directory you will be designing, knowledge base, use authentication app, Instagram gallery, PubNub chat, and auto find. Okay, so all these things, and finally you will be ending up this project. So whatever the project you are doing here, you can add it in your you can add the code in the GitHub. Okay, so create an account in a GitHub, try to add all the projects in the GitHub, so that you will get you can share that GitHub link. Whatever you have completed, you can share that and get extra credit for whatever the projects you have done so far. Okay, so doing all these things, like you have nearly 3 courses. If you want to learn in English language, you have 3 courses specifically in English, right from the basics towards the advanced, and also the project. If you wanted to learn basics in Hindi, you can also learn it. So these 3 or 4 courses will definitely will be useful for you. And don't forget to complete this with a perfect project, because that is most expected by any industry. Okay, just join this, try to complete this, and then let me know if you have completed the course. Even any one course, please send me a message, so that others will be more interested. And if you want any specific technology to be discussed, please let me know in the comments, so that I can help you out in order to show you the free courses with certification. I'll meet you in the next video on next Thursday. Please stay tuned. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.